So hello guys, I am Sorodip Biswas. So today I am going to do an unboxing of a ceiling fan. So this I have ordered from Amazon, worth for 2400 rupees or 2400 you may say, and this is the packaging. So I just opened the seal just to check the contents, but let me show you the packaging physically. So as you can watch, this is the packaging from the top. Something is written here, so let me see what's written here. The box is pretty heavy. So it is written Orient Electric, Orient Wendy, Shine, what the hell. So 2 unit. So this is a Orient Wendy Science Master Cutter. Now let me open the packaging. So as you can see, Crompton is visible. Always Crompton. The blade is looking like high speed. Now it is looking clearly. Guess the model? Here is the model. So as you can see, it's a Crompton Caliber high speed and Baker's Brown. So this is the packaging. So let me show you the packaging first. So this is the blade. Actually this blade was in this long box. I just took it out from there just to check what's inside, and everything is in good shape. Always check this kind of things in front of a camera. Just if in case any misplace happens, you can send the video to the online delivery person just to for a refund or a replacement. Always take videos of online products, whatever might be a cell phone or it be a ceiling fan. So this is the Caliber's blade. Now let me show you the motor box. First of all, let me show you what's this box. So as you can see, this is a Crompton Energion box, and this is a different model of Energion. This is active BLDC technology N-Star, Energion N-Star with 5 years warranty. So this N-Star's blade looks like somewhat like antique fan. So whatever might be, this is an N-Star packaging, opal white Crompton. So nice to see getting another type of packaging with another model. So how many units? 4 nodes. Yes, it's 4 numbers. So it contains 4 numbers of Energion N-Star, and the seller is Orion from Kerala. So this box is totally empty. This is totally empty box, nothing to do with this. So this is the fans box. So let me keep the things aside and let me show you the fan. So guys, now as you can see, this is the Crompton Caliber high speed. So this is the blade box. So here are 4 colors mentioned here. First of all, let me show you. This is the Baker's Brown color. This inner part is, I hope, Husky Gold, and the outer part is Baker's Brown. Next I show you this. This is the Sparkle Silver. So here is the black and here is the silver. So basically this silver is somewhat to that of the Indigo Blue or Avengers, that silver color. To be prominent, this silver color is actually the High Speed Decora Aqua Gold's silver color, this particular one. And this is the color. This is the Baker's Brown, the fan inside the box. And this is the Glitter Gold. Here is the black deco, and here is the golden fan. And this is Orchid Royal, as you know. So this model, this particular color was there in G logo, as you know, in 2015, I hope so. So I saw the color name from that catalog only, because none of the modern catalog of Crompton logo is this model is absent there, this particular color. So now this model is still in production, and the price MRP is increased. So let me show you the MRP. So as you can see, this is the top part of the fan, and here is written here it's manufactured at Plot 1 Bethora Industrial Estate, Bethora, Goa. So it's a Bethora product, and it's manufactured in 6/20/20. That's obviously a new product made in India, and its MRP is 2610. So now currently in 2021 starting, this MRP has been increased to 2730, because as you know, Crompton's website, that price written is the MRP on the box. So the price is increased, that means this model is not discontinued, because many of the Crompton's prices are going up and down, but except some models like the Crypto, whose price didn't change. That's why I hope that model is dead only. And so as you are watching, this model is CAL48BB8G. That's why it's Caliber 48 Baker's Brown Husky Gold. So big name, but the naming is only single. So let's quickly unbox the fan and see how it looks like in reality. So as you can see, it is the motor of the fan. So This is the warranty card. It's a typical Crompton style warranty card. And this is the motor sole, and here is the canopies. So let me show the canopies first. Oh wow, nice. The canopies are looking nice. Pretty good looking canopies. As you can see, Baker's Brown looking pretty good. And here is another canopy. It is also looking good. So let's just watch the download first for any scratches or whatsoever. So the packaging of these Bethora products are really good. It's very good. As you can see, the download is awesome. It's have a pretty good finishing out here. This is the finishing. As you can see, the hole having a pretty decent finishing, this motor bolt hole. So it's a premium quality. Premium downloads have these kind of finishings. So, and here is the STD cycle. I hope it's an STD M6 because of the pink sticker. And the motor came out at last. As you can see, he is having a box capacitor. Now let me just show the bottom. Oh nice, the bottom side of the fan is really looking good. Means it's awesome. The color is good. Here is the ring. I hope the ring is made of plastic or something like that. And whatsoever, the fan looks pretty good from this angle. So this is the fan. So let me show you the label. So it's a caliber ceiling fan, and model is this. So everything is good. The shaft is also good. And one thing to note, the shaft is black color. So typical Bethora products majority have these dark or black colored shafts because this is an anti-corrosive coating. So everything is good with this. Now let's remove this box, this packaging, and see what's inside. So before that, let me say you what's the tools required. So a plier for obvious reasons, some wire, suppose 3 feet of wire, and a double-sided screwdriver, and a screwdriver type spanner. I have got this, and a normal spanner 10-11 mil, and this is also 10 mil because the majority of the bolts are having 10 mil heads only. That's when a tester obviously. So these are the things required. So let's check the shackle. So I cut the seal. Oh nice, it's looking pretty good. JT brand. Motor bolt is also JT brand. Nice to see. So whatever might be, let's just install the fan without any more wasting of time. And before that, let me show you the blades because I every time forget to show you the blades in the first. So these are the blades. As you can see, it's looking good. So let's remove this rubber band from here. So the packaging quality is pretty premium. So these are the blades. So let me just keep it here and let me just check the decos, all the decos. So I see these are the decos. Let me see the motor. Oh, I see the deco is slightly darker compared to these motors. So whatever might be, this is a plastic part, I know that, and it's wrapped in plastic. So if you want to remove this plastic in the first time, you may remove, but I will suggest you after first usage of the fan, may say after 6 months, when the fan gets too much dusty, that time during cleaning you should remove this plastic film. And the shank is pretty HS looking. Obviously the blade is only HS, Crompton high speeds blade, so no issues regarding that. Let me check the shank angle. So the shank angle is pretty good, it's not bad. So one blade is checked. So the first instructions I will say to you before installation is that don't remove this plastic cap and always use the safety screw. So as you can see, here is 2 holes provided, one for the safety screw, one for the motor bolt. So these 2 are in a straight line. So always tighten the safety bolt and the motor screw both. Otherwise, if you tight only the motor bolt, that time the rod may wobble like this and this rod may break and it may cause an accident. So always 2 is always better than 1, as you know. So company is giving you the provision, so always use the provision. And one thing, if you are fixing this in a false ceiling down rod or a longer down rod, make sure that quality of the down rod, the thickness of the down rod is pretty good to hold this 5 kg fan, means with the blades is 5 kg only. And if there is no provision for this safety screw in that down rod, then use the main down, means tight this main bolt as hard as possible so that there is no wobbles. Means if the down rod is loose fitting in this shaft, then due to the vibration the down rod may crack and the fan may fall and many things can happen. That's why don't take your risk, don't risk your life. That's the thing. So as you can see, this is a 2.25 capacitor, box capacitor, as made by Crompton or whatever might be. So check the screws. Obviously this is loose, so always double check this screw loose, because due to transport and vibration these screws get loose, so just tight it. And this is the color coding of this kind of box capacitor fans. Now let me just shove the canopies and let's install the rest of the parts. So here are two canopies provided. Here is the screw. So this is not a push type canopy, so don't forget to loosen this screw. Otherwise, if the screw is in a mean position and you just push the canopy strongly, then this screw may scratch the downward and it will be a very bad thing. So that's why always check the canopy if it's a push type or a screw type, and if it's having a screw, completely lose the screw. After that you just put the canopy. As you can see here, this is the upper canopy. This canopy somewhat resembles me of Air 360, because that Air 360 Deco, because that's also having a caliber canopy with white color, and this is brown. I think this was Baker's brown and this was ivory, particularly the Air 360 Deco. So now the fan is complete. It's looking pretty good. So leave a little gap in the lower canopy, otherwise this thing will otherwise the lower canopy will rub with the motor and everything will be damaged. So just keep a slight gap, ensuring that the majority part is the capacitor and whatsoever is not visible, but there is enough gap like this, as you are watching. Everything is clean. Let's install the blades and hang it on the ceiling. So today I will be replacing this HS with this caliber. So I have made a video regarding this HS versus this HS Decora versus the HS Plus. So I hope I will be uploading it very soon. And now the HS Plus is replaced by the Daycare as usual, as you know from the very starting day. So let's continue. So now the fan blades are installed, and now I have to just hang the ceiling fan. But before that, I forgot to show you is the warranty card, the bill. So this was the Amazon bill, as you can see. So the bill is also provided properly. So actually the bill was inside the master curtain in a side. So the installation of the fan is completed in the ceiling, as you can see. As you know, the steps are very easy. So let's unpack the fan. Oh, nice. Looking so great. I will not remove the shank decos because I will remove it during cleaning. So whatever might be. So now, as you can see, the installation is completed and the fan is looking really nice. So let's start the fan. So let me just turn it on in full speed. Wow, the speed is awesome. The speed is really awesome. It's slightly faster than that of the high-speed Decora or the modern high speeds. and it's really good. This fan is really, actually this is a brother of high speed Jekora. So in a short, let me show you my high speed Jekora. So here is my high speed Jekora. So let me show you a short comparison. So here is the high speed Jekora, as you can see. So it's gaining speed. So it's gained full speed. As you can see, this is the strobes. So now the airflow of this fan is really good. It's giving a very good airflow. So let me move to the caliber. This is the caliber, and as you can see, the airflow is almost like the high-speed Decora. I think this fan is giving slightly thin airflow, but means not as thin as the other Rivera or whatever might be. But this fan is giving comparatively thinner airflow compared to the high-speed Decora, and it's behaving like HS, normal HS, normal Crompton. It's exactly behaving like HS, and the velocity and the quantity of the air is very much. Means this fan will give you very good comfort. So due to the suction effect of these two fans, the JKR is rotating in reverse due to the suction. Means this fan throwing air down, this fan throwing air down. So the room's air is getting sucked through the JKR and getting separated between the two fans. So let me stop the fans. So as you can see, the fan is really good, and whatever might be, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed, then press the like button. If you have any comments, then place it in a comment section. If you guys are interested in this fan, just wait till the 2021 stock arrives, and you will get a newer 21 fan in 21. Obviously, means current manufacture, because the price has been increased. I hope the quality will be same, but you will be getting a new stock, whatever might be. So thanks for watching.